Saturday was silent, surely it was through. This is the sound of dry bones rattling. I'm gonna live again. Pentecostal fire, burning something new. Yeah, resurrection power runs in my veins too. I believe there's another miracle here in this room. I'm gonna live again, and heal and restore anything that he wants. At the tomb in the garden, what happens when God says to move?